Express water reverse osmosis. Express puts its name to the test. Fastest delivery of fresh, clean water, immediate 99% removal of lead, chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, and more. The experience of what naturally tasting fresh filtered water should taste like from the source at the tap. Water travels through a sediment filter, then flows through both a carbon block and granular carbon filtering system. At the fourth stage, the express water RO membrane focuses solely on the toughest contaminants, then gets forced through a final activated carbon filter to remove all unnecessary taste and color. The built-in leak detection and stop detector automatically shut off the water flow if unwanted moisture enters the filtration system. No professional installation is required, and the easy-to-understand design, label-colored mesh system allows for a quick connect. And the express water reverse osmosis system automatically refills the water tanks, so there's never a worry about not having fresh, clean, purified water. With all this technology, it's clear that the Express is the best 5-stage reverse osmosis water filter system. Weighing only 31 pounds and measuring 14 by 15 by 5, the Express gets fresh purified water flowing at 0.08 gallons per minute for the entire family. Warranty: full 1-year warranty at the time of purchase. Pros: well-constructed solid brass feed adapter. Fast water flow of 0.8 gallons per minute. Proprietary 5-stage filtration system. Cons: filter replacement 2 times a year. Inferior faucet quality. Manufacturer unable to send replacement filters.